Where, to use it right. Mastering relative pronouns. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on relative pronouns. Today, we're going to focus on a very important relative pronoun. Where. This little word can make a big difference in your English sentences, adding detail and clarity. So, let's get started. Where is a relative pronoun that we use to refer to a place or location. It helps us connect two sentences about the same place, so we can create a more complex, interesting sentence. Here's a simple example. I went to the park. The park is beautiful. I went to the park, where it is beautiful. See how, where, helps us to combine those two sentences. The word, where, refers back to the park, and helps us understand that the beauty we're talking about is found in the park. Now, let's talk about when to use where. Remember, we use where when we're talking about places or locations. This includes cities, countries, buildings, rooms, and even non-physical places like websites. Here are a few examples. This is the city where I was born. The house where I grew up is just around the corner. That's the website where I found the information. It's also important to note that where can be used both in questions and in statements. In questions, it's used to ask about a location. In statements, it's used to give more information about a location. Let's see how this works. Question. Where is the book that I was reading? Statement. The library, where you can find a variety of books, is open until 8 p.m. That wraps up our discussion on the relative pronoun, where. We hope this has made it clearer when and how to use where in your sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own sentences using where as a relative pronoun. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and happy studying.